One quiet lockdown Monday morning, a client notices water coming from underneath their solar panel. So we go up and have a look. Immediately I notice a leak from the cylinder, which normally would indicate a burst geyser, but at closer look, I see the drip is coming from the electrical box. It's probably the flange washer for the element, which is better news. I see this problem quite often on relatively new quick-hot geyser installations where the rubber diaphragm on the element starts disintegrating and water will slowly start pouring into the drip tray or whatever is under the geyser. I start the repair by isolating and testing the electrics are off, and then open the draincock to start draining the water out the cylinder. More recent quick-hot geysers have a Gardiner fitting, which makes it easier to connect the garden hose and drain the water out without complication. Over here I'm taking it into a supply tank to recycle the water. Once the water's drained, we can pull the flange off to access the washer. Over here I haven't drained the geyser fully because we are outside and no damage will be caused, so I would like to speed the process up, pulling the element out while the water is still draining. Then remove the grub screw that's holding the element in place, and the gasket is loose. Put the new gasket on and secure the element tight to hold the gasket in place. And then to pop it back in, just like that. The rule I learned with flange gaskets is to tighten opposite bolts at the same time to avoid pushing the gasket out with the pressure. Once the flange is totally secure, the thermostat can go back in. Just test that the screws are nice and tight and the water must go on before the power is switched on. The hot vacuum breaker goes back in place. Just make sure the hot water tap is open. This allows any air to push out the system. And we're done.